Hi viewers, how to find whether a given three-digit number is Armstrong or not? Let us explore with the help of the last-minute professor. To tell it short and sweet, if the sum of cubes of every digit in the three-digit number is equal to the three-digit number itself, then we call it an Armstrong number. For example, take the three-digit number 153. To say whether it is Armstrong or not, take the individual digits of the three-digit number as 1, 5 and 3. Then find the cubes of the individual digits. That is, 1 cube is equal to 1, 5 cube is equal to 125, 3 cube is equal to 27. Sum up the values. 1 plus 125 plus 27 and it is 153, which is actually the original three-digit number itself. So 153 is an Armstrong number. Take the three-digit number 100. Here, in this case, our total is 1, which is not the original three-digit number 100. So 100 is not an Armstrong number. To say it in programming context, we need to address two important questions. Question number 1. How to split the three-digit number given by user into three separate values? That is, if the user gives 123 as input, I need to separate it into three numbers, namely 1, 2 and 3. Well, we have a three-word solution to it. Divide by 10. Yes, you heard it right. Divide by 10. When you divide 123 by 10, quotient will be 12 and remainder will be 3. Reminder, now we have obtained is number 3, the last digit of the number. Mathematically speaking, it is the unit digit. Now, divide the quotient in the previous step, that is 12 by 10. Quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 2. Remainder we have obtained now is the number 2, the second last digit of the number, tens digit mathematically. Similarly, again divide the quotient of the previous step by 10. The quotient now is 0 and the remainder is 1, the number at the hundredth place of the three-digit number. Well, now comes our next question. How long should I repeat this process of dividing the quotient by 10? Simple, until the quotient becomes 0. Now let us look into the pseudocode with an example 153. I'm storing the user value in the variable original because in future I shall process and update the value of the variable number. To avoid losing the original value, I'm doing this step. I'm using a variable called total to store the sum of the cubes and initially I'm setting the value as 0. Now, to obtain the remainder, we use modular division symbol, that is percentage symbol. To obtain the quotient, we use floor division. I'm indicating here by double slash. That is, number double slash 10 will give the quotient when dividing by 10. Number modular division 10 will give the remainder obtained when dividing the number by 10. The variable remainder holds the remainder obtained by dividing the number by 10. It holds the separate digit. The quotient on dividing the number by 10 is updated in the variable number itself. So, cube of the number is computed and added to the variable total. That is remainder into remainder into remainder is added to the variable total and is updated. So, this process is repeated until the quotient becomes 0. That is, while the number is not 0. The step-by-step evaluation goes like this. So we know that now our number is 153, which is not equal to 0. So it is true. So the 3 lines inside while gets executed. So 153 by 10, the remainder is 3. So we have obtained the last digit here. Find the total, that is 0 plus 3 cube. We have calculated the value of 3 cube here and stored it in total. Now the number gets updated as 15. Again, the condition is checked. 15 is not equal to 0. So the 3 lines get repeated. So now we have obtained the next digit, that is 5. So 5 cube, we have calculated it as 125 and added it to the previous total. That is, we have already found 3 cube in the previous iteration. In this iteration, we are finding 5 cube and adding it to it. So now again, the number becomes 1. So 1 is not equal to 0, it is true. And again, it is getting repeated and 1 cube is calculated and added to the previous total here. So now the number becomes 0. And hence, the condition becomes false and the statements inside while loop get skipped. The control moves to the if statement. If total is equal to original. So here total is 153 is equal to original. So you see, in the course of time, we have lost the value of number. Number in the last calculation, we have obtained the value as 0. The original is stored in original. So I'm checking it with the original number given by user. This is the reason we added this variable original. So original 153 and total is also 153. So you can print it as Armstrong number. That's it. To encourage and support this work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.